what do you do when you have a sink full of dishes, but you only have one single sink? And you really want to have one sink with soapy water and one sink with cleaned. That way it takes less water because you can soap up the dishes. You go to, I got this from Super H Mart for I don't know how much money. I know it was under 10 bucks, probably $5 years ago. And you use this as your sink number 2. It's really sad that I don't have a dishwasher, but my kitchen is from 1942 and I still have metal cabinets. So if you look over here, these are metal cabinets. They're metal, gross metal cabinets. I don't even put anything in there. They're so gross. Yeah, but that's what I do is I have a double sink here and I'm going to put the soap water, and actually I'm going to do that now. Get my handy dandy on and put that all in there. And turn the hot water on. Oh. I like my water hot because I feel like it cleans the dishes better. And there's also a little bit of bleach in there. And what I do is I use these gloves that are over here. So no dishwasher. No dishwasher. No dishwasher. And I have to let this run and 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 run. It's actually nice and getting hot now. Oh, look at that. Look at those bubbles. Woo! Gonna clean up all these dishes finally. They've been in the sink for a while. Don't want Mickey and Minnie to start coming in here and partying. Bringing their germs. Germy germs.